This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com with a sample of some of our recent breakout picks based on the ultimate Muathe breakout. And by the way, just in case you are interested in taking a look at our service, I am having a sale for this Cyber Monday for 2019. Links are going to be in the description of the video. But here we can see one of our recent picks. ARWR has had a nice run. The breakout entry was somewhere here based on the monthly closing high from about August. Stock has done great and continues to move well. So as long as the market is stable, that's one of our recent picks. Take a look at another one here, ZYME, another breakout candidate based on there was a weekly breakout somewhere there, and I highlighted this breakout for paid Muathe.com subscribers. The entry was somewhere there. This one has also done well for us. Take a look at another idea here, and it is SAFE, again another breakout candidate. All of this based on the ultimate Muathe breakout. You'll find links for this method in the description of the video. We had another breakout here. The stock continues to do well, and a recent IPO. Again, this is just a sample, and of course the continued success of this stock and other stocks in this video are going to be pretty much based on how the market responds. If the market stays stable, I would expect this stock to continue doing good. If the market runs into trouble, of course most stocks are going to struggle. That is not a surprise. But we can see here a recent breakout here, which we highlighted for paid subscribers, and there was a recent breakout again after this daily closing high. The IPO settled down, and over the last couple of days we've seen another price surge to the upside. So that was also another breakout alert. So if you are interested in receiving similar breakout alerts, I am running a sale for this Cyber Monday for 2019. Take a look. There should be some links in the description of the video if you are interested in taking a look. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS.